what is the difference between npm init and npm install? So both of these I'll run in my terminal. If I say npm install, what it will do within a node project that already exists, it will install all of my dependencies. It'll install my application dependencies and my development dependencies. It'll let me know if there was anything that failed, but that's what npm install does, and that's all it does. So if, for example, you went to this repository and you're like, hey, I want to get this code, whether you clone it or you get the zip file, there is no node modules folder here, which means once you get that code, you're going to have to download these dependencies. And the way that you do that is you run npm install. After that, I should be able to say npm start and it'll run my application, okay? npm init is a little bit different. If let's say I went into this folder, let's say it was a new folder, generally I'll do this in a folder that doesn't have anything in it. I'll run npm init, and this is to initialize a node project. It'll open up this little command line interface to say, hey, what's your package name? And I could say, oh, this is a test package. And there's the version and some description. I don't have to put anything for these. If there's a different entry point than the default, usually the default is just index.js, okay? But it'll go through and then it'll actually create this package.json file with the values that were supplied in the CLI interaction down here, okay? But this will allow me to have a new node project. So anytime somebody says, okay, go ahead and create a node project for me, you're gonna start off with an empty folder, you'll run npm init, and then you'll kind of start here, be like, okay, my main folder is gonna be server.js. I'll go ahead and create a server file called server.js, okay? And that is what npm init does.